Kalaflai atu hane ha tolu a tau wala tala tutupu ke lata ia mai polio pone. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Kua hiki e aho wakalele ha Air New Zealand changes to the Air New Zealand Tuesday flights. Kua whakatau tonu e tonga hua uka he whahinga hua hila, Niue Power team gets a bonus. Liliu mai e tau ke kafo manu ke he motu. Rock vets on island to assess the Niue feral cat and dog situations. Koe whaihikianga anei ke lata ia mo tau aho o whenanga mai Niue. Ki New Zealand ke he tau puhala e a New Zealand. Nā kai whenanga ke he tuku whenanga mai Niue ke he aho ua, ko hiki tuai ke tuku whenanga ke he aho fua. Ke hoko atu ki New Zealand nā kai koe aho lotu ka koe aho ua. Ne ka mate tau whakaloanga o whenanga pehe nei, po ke whou nei he aho ine awhi. As of yesterday, Air New Zealand flights to Niue have changed. Air New Zealand flights from Auckland to Niue will now operate on Tuesdays, arriving Monday and returning on the same day. Saturday flights to Niue will remain the same. Tāhong whanua walu e tangatanga hua he whainga hoa hila, ne kua maua e tau whakatau tonuanga, ma he lilifu Honourable Sir Toke Tufukia Tālangi ke whahi tapuka mole. Koe whakatau tonu nei ha kua maeke he matakaunga hoa hila, ke utakehe e tau kawe hila mai he tau pō mo e tuku hifo ke he lalo whanua, pia whoki mo e whakatūtū ke he tau Transformer 4. Ko whiawhia lahi e whakatu whānau ha ko mai ke matakaunga hua, ke whakausenga hua ke he mangaho ko whawhasi ke osiai. Mai ke whakaunga e tau loto matala mo e pulotu ne he haia he tatangate motu. Christmas came early for the workers of the Niue Power Corporation. Honourable Sir Toke Tufukia Tālangi, who is also the chairperson of the state-owned enterprises or entities, was very happy to present bonuses to 18 workers in recognition and achieving and completing the project on time, which involves removal of overhead power cables and putting it underground, as well as installation of new power transformers. The project has been completely carried out by local workers. Ke whaitap kua mole ne liliu mai e tau e ke kafo manu, ke motu ke langmatai ke tau manu I Niue. Ka matanga hua e tau e ke kafo manu ke ahini awhi, mo e kua longa e tau kuli, e tau pusi, pia whoki mo e tau manu puaka, ne kua otakehe e tau walasino, ne kua whanawhanau, mo e tau moko ki loto e tau manu. Ko e tahani anei he tau puhala ni kua maike ke tukutuku hifo, e tau numela, he tau manu pusi, vau pihia whoki, mo tau kuli vau ni kua whaka tau hele, mo e kai e tau manu lele, pihia whoki mo tau unga ke he vau, mo e kua moumou e takatakai motu. Ko e tau hifo e tau numela he tau palau, ne kua lauia i ke tau puaka vau, ha ko tu mau e whahi takatakai motu ke he tau sei e tau whakaloanga ta tau puaka. Amana ki amtakau Rock Vets ke liliua I ki New Zealand ke he awhaleile he whahi tapu nei. Volunteer veterinarians Rock Vets have returned to the Rock, offering their annual free health checks, neutering and desexing services for cats, dogs and pigs. Working alongside the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries Department, the services until Thursday this week and is absolutely vital for those that cannot provide homes, especially for extra animals. There have been reports of increased number of feral cats and dogs, including at eateries, which are the underlying causes for some of our native animals, including bird life declining and the destruction of habitats. The Feral Pigs program undertaken by the Department of Environment has proven successful, but of the remaining cats and dogs that end up discarded or left in the bushes, it certainly isn't healthy to Niue's natural ecosystem. This is a gap that is being filled by the Rock Vets, but the small group can only do so much in so little time or support of people utilizing their services. This is a key factor that each of us must consider as some of Niue's natural flora and fauna progressively declines. The services offered by Rockvets costs in the hundreds and thousands overseas. However, the service is being provided for free by the willingness of the volunteer group who return annually funding their own return trips. Takalonga tau tangata ni kua tonu atu ke he male he maanga mutalau matai whanua ke he okioki whata pukua mole ke lata ia moe aho whakatata he maanga. Fulfluala moe a fua e aho he maanga moe kua longa e tau kai ne kua whakamoho he tau whale ke whakafua ke tau tangata. Ko tala haua he lilifu i kipole ko Billy Tālangi, ko fulfluala e tau koloa whakatata he maanga moe ko whakahoho ke tau tangata ngā hua 5 mai talatalai. He maanga ke whai ono-onoanga ke tātu whalu he tau koloa taonga, ma huinga ke whakatata ke whale tau taonga ni we fōu. Whakatoa he takitaki fōu hamtalau, ko mele ki tau e whasi mo e tau manatu whakaue, ke tau tangata ne kua hohoku atu, ki mutalau, kai mua atu ke tau tangata he maanga, ke ngā hua, ke mahani ngā hua au loa, ke lata ia mo e aho mahui ngā hamtalau. Haha iai e tau whewa sipote whakamotu tonga e Olafua Niu, la langa kato tā sika, mo e he fua niu ne kua inga mo e whai sempiani. Kua whakatoa e tau whakaloanga ha ulau tā me tau whakawhiawhia, ma he tau whanau he maanga mo e mtakau, atu hau tupu hake he maanga. The village of Mutalau Ulau Tā held the village's annual show day over the weekend. Vendors eagerly preparing for their first customers to buy their goods. Honourable Billy Tālangi encouraged the villagers to take up the opportunity in showcasing their crops and handicrafts and use the new Tau Taonga Niue building to safeguard and display families' taongas. There was a variety of fresh produce under the marquee alongside ungas and piglets displayed by the village men, while the women displayed a variety of handicrafts, tie-dyes, embroidery pieces and local jewellery. Village Chairperson Meleki Taufasi thanked families, friends and visitors who took the time to be a part of the Mutalau Show Day, especially the people of the village for always coming in and working together. The crowd was entertained with a few cultural activities and performances by the children and the Atuhau Tupuaki Mutalau dance group. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Because we now tolu at the Valatau Tutupu ke lata ia mo pōlia pōnei. Kia nono whā me kia mni ne pō.